Hey everyone! Today I am going to teach you how to replace your cabin air filter, engine air filter, and switch your kilometers to miles on your car dashboard. Now, this is specifically for a 2015 Prius C. If you have any other model, it might not be the same. However, you can try and see if it works well. Now, you're wondering why I decided to make this video. I hit around 85,000 miles on my Prius and it told me maintenance was required. So I took it to the mechanic where they took a look and told me what I needed to replace. The things I couldn't replace on my own, I had them do, such as replacing a tire and the oil change. I'm sure you can do the oil change yourself, however, I have yet to learn that, but when I do, I'll be sure to let you know. The things that are easy to be fixed yourself are the air filters. I was being charged $60 for labor and parts. After doing some research, I realized I could buy the filters online and replace them within 5 minutes or less for each. So I saved a little more than $40. It's super easy and I hope this helps you save time and money as well. I have added the links of where I got my filters in the description box below so you can get them too. Again, double check if it's compatible with your car. For sure, it is perfect for the 2015 Prius C. So for the cabin air filter, I found a great 2-for-1 deal on Amazon. It filters dust and pollen, absorbs odor, and installs easily. To install, go and open your glove compartment. On the right side, there is a plastic latch that you can unhook with a little bit of arm strength. Once you've gotten that loose, gently squeeze the glove box inward and out to detach the entire thing. There are clickable hinges on the bottom that snap in and out, so you will have to tug and lift it out. Once you're done, there's a plastic lever with the up text arrow on it. Squeeze the lock inward to release it and open the filter cover, then take out the old dirty filter. Insert it the same way as how the old filter was placed, and that's it. Easy peasy. Put everything back as it was and you're done. Now, if you want to learn how to replace your engine air filter, it's in the front of your car. So unlock it by using the lever underneath where the left leg usually is and pop the top open. There should be a little latch to release it and open as well. Find the standing pole that holds up the top cover so you don't have to hold it with your own arm. There will be a black box with 2 metal latches. Go ahead and click them open and you'll find your old dirty engine air filter. Take it out and place the new one in exactly like it was before and close the box and secure the locks back in place and unhook the stand and close your cover. There you go. It literally takes less than 5 minutes. Okay, and lastly, I don't know how I got my dashboard to say km, known as kilometers, instead of miles, but if you ever end up having that issue, all you need to do is hold down the trip button for a few seconds and the miles per hour letters will appear. I had to read the manual after my guessing failed, but yeah. If you want a shortcut and not have to go back to your manual, I hope this video helps you. Again, these are easy tasks that anyone can do, really. You don't need to go to the mechanic unless you don't mind shelling out a ton of money. You don't need to go under your car, and yes, girls can do this too. I hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial. Please subscribe, smash the like button, and hit the notification bell if you like my videos. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope you have a wonderful day.